This is my first real YouTube video. I have no idea what I'm doing, so bear with me. This is about issues and problems that I have encountered installing a Monster RAM on a 2012 RAM built in December of 2012. So it may be different than earlier 2012s. Okay. Here I'm working on trying to get the number 6 off. That is the intake plate. It's pretty nasty, but the bolt was fine. I'm kind of glad I took it out. And again, there's another shot of it. Now, that's after it's been removed. I got number 6 out. Did run into a problem though. The wrench on number 6 came down and broke the sensor off the back of the fuel rail. That was a very expensive mistake, and there was no warning in the instructions about this. So I went ahead and I bought a whole new fuel rail, which was only about $100 more than buying just the sensor. The sensor can leak, and you do not want to take this all apart again. So I just bought a new rail. There's the plug that broke off. There's the new rail. You can find it for about $380. It was a Bosch. That's the old rail there. And I did break my fan shroud by putting my weight on everything. There's the new rail installed. And number 6 is hooked up, and the plug is hooked into the rail. There's the fuel line you have to replace because it won't fit over the Monster RAM intake. And when I was tightening up the EGR upside down, I wound up breaking the exhaust pressure sensor, or the EGR pressure sensor, which is attached to your thermostat housing. And when you have an older RAM, you got to watch out for these things because they will break easily. You slip with the wrench, you're going to break things. And that's what's left of the plug on top of the sensor. I had to buy a new sensor. And just be careful doing this. It works well. There's just no warnings. All right.